Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Muhammad. I am from class 19 to A17. My student ID number is 19250628. Here I will present the result of my project, namely explaining the material about hardware and operating system. Hardware is storage process data, store information in display output from the computer system. Input device function to enter data or command into the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse. Processing device function to process data and run process from the command entered. Example, CPU, RAM, motherboard. Output device function to display the result of data processing or information to the user. Example, monitor and printer. Storage device function to store data permanently or temporarily. Example, SSD. Input device. Why is the keyboard included in the input device? Because the keyboard function to enter command such as letter, number, or shortcuts. And also the mouse is included in the input device because it is used to move the cursor and also select what object we will run. Okay, let's move on the next slide, namely output device. Here we'll just take two, namely the monitor and printer. Why is the monitor included in the output device? Because the monitor function to display visual such as images, text and video, which are processed by the monitor and become a visual bridge between the user and computer system. And secondly, there is printer, was function in the change document or image from a computer into a physical form such as paper or something else. Okay, let's move on the next slide, namely the main computer component of computer hardware, namely the motherboard, CPU, RAM, power supply, and SSD. If a computer does not have this component, the computer will not turn on or there will be no display. Okay, the first is the motherboard, which functions as a connector between computer hardware components such as the CPU, RAM, and SSD. It unites all components so they can work in a connected manner. Okay, second, the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Its main function is to receive instruction, process data, and execute program. Essentially, the CPU ensures that all hardware and software work together to produce fast and accurate response. Thirdly, there is RAM, which function as temporary data storage memory on a computer. For example, when we open an application or run an operating system, it is storage freeze in RAM. Next, there is power supply, function as a converter and main distributor of electric current and distributes it stably to all computer components such as the motherboard, processor, or CPU. Finally, the SSD, which server as the primary extremely fast data storage medium on a computer. For example, it used storage personal files, application for boot operation system like Windows. So, in essence, the processing system what manage resource, boot device, and software. It is a bridge between the user and the computer. Example of operating system such as those in the Victor and are Windows or Linux. And operating system, the primary software that manage and control all hardware and runs application on a computer. With an operating system, a computer cannot be used. Software is a collection of program or instruction used to run a computer and help user complex specific tasks. Software cannot be physical touched, but it can be used. For example, Microsoft Office program like Word are used to complete tasks like creating report and so on. Software is program used to assist user from performing specific tasks such as typing or browsing the internet. For example, Microsoft Word manual and operating system is the software that functions as the main controller of a computer, such as Windows. So, the difference is that software is used for user needs, while the operating system manages all software so it can run. So, the main difference is the operating system function as the basic or main controller so that's all software can run, while the software is used to assist with certain tasks according to user need. So the software will not run if the operating system not there because the operating system is a container for running a software. So many percentage. Please forgive me if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Anjay.
Yes.
Cangkang anjing.
Ini berapa tuh?
Cangkang anjing.
Alah. Panjang.